Hello there, this is Mr. Allen. Today we will be learning about Windows Magnifier, the free built-in screen magnification software that's in Windows 10. If you're watching this video, you or someone you know probably has a visual impairment and you would like to learn the basics of how screen magnification software, like Windows Magnifier, can help provide improved visual access to the computer screen by essentially enlarging the text and other content that a person is trying to view. The easiest way to get started with Windows Magnifier is to use its keyboard shortcuts. Let's start by locating the Windows key, plus key, minus key, and escape key. These are used to turn Magnifier on and off, as well as to adjust its magnification level. Pause this video and make sure you know where these keys are. Then, resume playing. To turn Magnifier on, use the Windows key and plus key shortcut. Here I go. Now I am zoomed in and can move my viewing region around with my mouse cursor. You'll notice that the icons that previously had pretty small text are now easier to view. To turn Magnifier off, use the Windows key and escape key shortcut. Pause the video and try this out. Then resume playing. While Magnifier is on, you can adjust the magnification level through the Windows plus or Windows minus shortcuts. Here I go. Windows Magnifier is on, and I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to zoom out. Pause the video and try this out, then resume playing. And there you have it, the basic steps to using Windows Magnifier.